Hi, my name is Maxi Dominguez. I'm an entrepreneur and mobile makerspace educator at Windrock International's Arkansas Regional Innovation Hub, and today I'm going to share with you one of my favorite making processes: screen printing. Screen printing is a traditional printmaking art form that dates back thousands of years. Today, it has become an important part of global manufacturing of all sorts, as well as an extremely popular and fun way of creating art. The screen printing process can be broken into 4 parts: designing, preparing, production, and resetting. Like any making process, everything starts with an idea. The wonderful part of screen printing is that it allows you to build your idea in so many different ways. One of the most unique aspects of the screen printing process are the necessary preparation steps in order to begin printing. From creating a film transparency, coating your screen in a darkroom, and washing out your stencil, you're sure to build a new appreciation for the graphic t-shirts we love and wear. It's no secret that the most fun part of screen printing is the printing. What makes this process so fun and unique are the different techniques involved and endless types of materials we can print. You may or may not be able to tell, but I love screen printing, and it's an absolute pleasure to be able to share my passion for it with you guys. If you'd like to learn more about this amazing printmaking process, make sure to check out some of our upcoming videos that'll dig much deeper into the process and how you could go as far as starting your own business right from your home. Remember, everything starts with an idea. Thanks for watching.